Theme 2, Animals.
Lesson 6. Listening. Listen and tick the box. Look at the pictures. Listen. There is one example.
What does it look like?
I'm thinking of an animal. What does it look like? It's gray. It has a trunk. Oh, an elephant. You're right.
Can you see the tick? This is an example. Now listen and tick the box.
1. Where does this animal live?
Wow, pandas are interesting. Yeah, they are. Where do pandas live? Pandas live in the mountains. The mountains? Okay.
2. Which animal is taller?
There's a zebra eating next to a rabbit. Which animal is taller? A zebra is taller than a rabbit. You're right.
3. Which animal is the fastest?
So, which animal is the fastest? Do you mean which is the fastest animal on land? Yeah, on land. The cheetah is the fastest animal on land. The cheetah? Okay.
4. What is this baby animal called?
Oh, look! A cow and her baby. Yes, they're cute. What is a baby cow called? A baby cow is called a calf. A calf? Got it.
Now listen again.